Every car project has a moment that changes everything. That moment starts today for my MK5 Supra. We never installed an air suspension before, and this could completely transform the car or turn it into a total nightmare for us.
Alright, as you saw in the B-rolls, we start with the Supra to become a real project car, and a real show car.
Real show car, yes.
Real show car, because what we figured out, all these meets where you guys have been with us, even was it Ultrace, SEMA or Tokyo lately,
Yep.
if you want to have a real show car, you have to have an airlift suspension.
Absolutely, yes.
Right, and
It's a must, yeah.
yeah, and for me personally, it's something really new.
Yeah.
And I really love to have these experiences because that's the magic about tuning. You do something you didn't know before.
Yeah. And you don't know if you missed the car.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
But we have to say, big shout out to Prazis and to Stanek Works for the support they gave us here. Also, we have inbuilt partners. We don't name yet. We will name them soon, right? They're going to help us with the paint. They're going to help us with the electric installment. They're going to help us with the inbuild of the coilovers because we don't still haven't the car lift yet here, so we can't do it by ourselves. And
also with the TOV.
Yes. Chris mentioned that he gonna help us with the TOV because the goal is to have a really street legal car. And my suggestion would be we directly start with the unboxing.
Yes.
That said, please do not expect the full build in that video. Okay, we do today some test fittings. We're gonna check the parts. We do like a little inspection.
It's like a teaser.
Yeah, it's a little teaser.
Yeah.
And there's more to come in the next couple of weeks. I mean, we have like 20 videos in the pipe by now?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like this. So
Something like this, yeah.
expect a lot of content. This is just one of the projects we're currently working on, and I'm excited.
Yes, me too.
Will be good. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. So we just opened the first box. I honestly no idea what's in there, but I'm a packaging nerd. Okay, so I mean, look at this. It's like that's so cool. Just you know these movies when things gonna break when they unbox it.
A few moments later.
Okay, here we go. So what we have here. Oh, that's control. That's the control system. Look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
This is so cool. Oh, that's so sick. I mean, can you imagine? I mean, guys, I know this. I think Eric got the same control and the air spreader in his car. I'm excited. Oh. You know what? We're gonna place it directly in the trunk.
That's good.
But imagine having this one there. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. So we're gonna move on with the next part, I would say. Oh no, first we're gonna check the remote, because this one is the one you really see in the car at all. That looks so sick. Imagine having like a nice holder for this one in the center console, and like, oh, this is cool. I mean, this is really something I have to say. The quality of the packaging and the quality of the parts. I mean, we're just at part number 2, and I'm already celebrating it. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Cables. So next boxes. I mean, pretty boring, but that's what we need. And even more. Oh, that's a battery cable. See? So this is the power hose. Where actually the air goes through, but we're gonna go for, and I think that's something we can tell already, we go for steel braided air hose because Chris from Stanek Works said already to us that he prefers these ones, and he recommended me to do so. Also, Eric from Holly65 told us that's a better one, right? So yeah, that was magic box number 1. So we're gonna pack it all in again, and we're gonna check for box number 2 and 3. Let's see. Tank. Ah, that's a vibration pad. So Eric told me what a lot of people back then did when they mounted the compressors, they didn't have these vibrations pads, right? And these vibration pads just have the one and only sense that the car is not too shaky and the vibration doesn't get into the car. And the other thing that is in here is the tank. Look at this beauty. And this also comes with the branding. Oh, this looks great. This looks really great. We're gonna put it in the truck directly. I mean, just imagine having this here. Here's the thing, we had to take the camera off because we had a little conversation ongoing. So maybe we can put the 2 compressor pumps, left and right, and that it centers towards the air distributor. You know what I mean? It's like having like really in the middle or centered, that the whole system went like this. On the other hand side, when I drive on the meet and have my camera gear, etc., and you're gonna be my passenger, we're gonna have a serious trunk issue.
Yes.
Okay, so the better idea would be have it like here and make the pump straight. I mean, we're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
We're gonna unbox the other 2 packages we have there, and we're gonna find out. This is sick. This is power supply. Look at that one. Matte black. I mean, this is where the things then got mounted to the vibration pad, right? But they look pretty amazing. Let's do it in. So now the big question, front to back or back to front? I have no idea.
I also have no idea.
Okay.
It's my first time.
Maybe you can, it's a first timer.
Yeah, first time, right?
So for those of you who already made a build like this, maybe you can let us know in the comments, what do you prefer, this one more to the back or to the front? We just build it in a, like we think it looks cool, right? So. Yeah, but then we have this red nozzle. I think we have to change. I don't know. We're gonna do some Google picture search, how to mount it imperfectly, and we're gonna be right back. Okay, so we did some research, and it really looks like they placed it in. I mean, we chatted with Chris from Stanix Works, and it really should be like this. So pump number 1 here. I'm gonna get the second one in a second. So we got a second one here, and if we place it in like this.
Yes. This looks nice.
That looks pretty sick.
Yes.
What do you think?
Really nice. Also the quality of the things are really good.
Yes. And now imagine, so maybe, I don't know if you guys can see, but the strut brace is, we painted the strut brace already in the same color like the Supra is. And now having this one in the same color as well, it's like too nice.
Yes, it's matching really good then, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, so I'm sorry, we have to go back because we turned the air tank and now you see the whole Prazis logo. That's pretty sick. And still, I mean, the trunk from the Supra isn't that big, but we still have place to, I don't know.
I mean, for a sports car, it's really good.
Yeah.
And with the tank and all the stuff, you still have enough space for like a small bag and some some stuff
Yeah.
for you for washing the car or something.
Yeah, the auto finesse bag. Big shout out to Benny and James, right? Auto finesse bag will still fit in.
Yes.
Let's go. And now we're gonna check the coilovers. Guys, I'm sorry for being a bit unstructured, but I'm so excited, and I just can't believe what's happening here, right? It's like, that's what I always wanted to do, and now building a show car, and I wish I could tell you, but I can't yet. So we're gonna now check the coilovers. Let's go. Are you kidding me? So also it comes with some really nice installment stuff. And I mean, that's something somebody will do for us, right? Airride system installation instruction. So I guess it's pretty cool. Also we have, oh, look at this. I love things like this. Let's check. I want to see what's in there. The warranty card, the chase date, and the cool stickers. One question to Prazis: can I have one in matte black, please? That would be super cool, because actually, as I see here, and there, white is actually not the color we're using on this car. So yeah, I think they're gonna give us a matte black one if we ask them very friendly. Oh my lord, that looks so cool. Also you can adjust the
Camber.
the camber.
Yeah. That's insane, yeah.
That's insane.
It's really good.
I don't know if, yeah, I mean that's crazy. Camber adjustment.
That's for the front, right?
That's for the front. That's the front one, yeah. Because the back one, they have a separated spring and a coilover.
Yeah, that's quality right here.
That's really quality. And look at this, you can adjust everything. This is so cool. This is so cool. So I was really, let me say it this way, I was really not sure for ages if I really go for an LF suspension. So those of you who know me a little bit longer know that I have a GDI, a Polo GDI, or had a Polo GDI before I bought the Supra. And I was always thinking about getting LF suspension because of my driveway. We don't show the driveway now because most of you have seen it already. But now having this, and now, come with me, that we don't scratch the new AC Schnitzel anymore when we're driving out, because it's fresh and new and everything's fine. And that was one of the main reasons why I said I'd go for the LF suspension as well. I mean, it's a pretty expensive decision, isn't it? But Lucas like on the other hand side, there's way more to come with that car, and this is the only solution we have at the moment. So no scratches at the front lip anymore. So backside. That's like, oh yeah, the adjustment here as well. What is it? Yes, that's pretty thick.
It's breathing.
It's breathing. It's alive. No, we don't do that. That's pretty dope. We're gonna do some B-rolls with these guys now. What do you think?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. So actually, I know you guys expected some B-rolls, and I'm really sorry, but when we're placing the stuff and we're cleaning up the area, we figured out that we have a pressure adjustment for the back coilover comes in as well. I mean, actually, it's a adjustable coilover
With Airride.
with Airride. I mean, if somebody watches this who built like 15 Airride suspensions by now, they will say, oh, these clueless clowns, right? But on the other hand side, this is, I mean, the quality is insane. I can't really. I mean, we used to KW, right? And we had HR coilovers, and we had springs and stuff like this. But this quality, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Also, you see the number for the TUV. I'm not gonna show it in here, but you see here, Stanek Works. They made the sticker for the TUV certification. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. And now we jump to some B-rolls. Let's go. Next week we're gonna bring the tank to the paint shop. Yeah, next week. I think next Thursday. Thursday.
Yeah, next Thursday. Yes.
Next Thursday we're gonna bring the tank to the paint shop, and then the project starts. And the next weekend we're gonna start building in the electricity. So the seats have to go out completely. The interior has to go out into completely. We have to have a wooden plate because we kind of put it on that small thin piece of wood that comes with stock on the Toyota. The plans we have, like for example Altrays or W-Wing Cars meets, or even Posa Mannheim meets, or for the whole season where this car will be, I think it's a good way to go. Anything to add, Luca? No,
No, not really.
no. Okay, good. All right, then now we're gonna jump to the trunk because I actually wanted to show you some more thing. I need to stop doing this. This is so German. You know this?
Yeah.
Did your mom did this as well?
Yeah.
Mine
sure.
always like, "Ah, da, 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 da." This is so terrible. I need to stop that. So what we were considering while discussing the build a little bit, maybe we can make this one foldable, because as you see in here, this is the link to the battery and we need to have access to the battery. So maybe we make this part like foldable, that we still can access this, right? And we would have a really, really good solution. All right, everybody. So if you still watching the video and enjoying it, as we both hope, and you don't want to miss any updates about this build, you know what to do. And until then, I catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.